Hey, welcome back to Weather Bug on this Wednesday. Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. We're talking more storms and the potential of flooding, but we're also keeping a very close eye on what's happening in the tropics. The Atlantic Basin may be acting up a little bit more. Start you off in the Pacific. Here are the Hawaiian Islands. We've been showing you this to start off because, again, it is that time of the year. National Hurricane Center keeping an eye on this cluster of thunderstorms, not quite as decent looking as Gale and Henriette looked last week, but we'll switch over to the Atlantic Basin and the National Hurricane Center looking at this cluster of thunderstorms with some decency of at least the potential of becoming something within the next couple of days. But this is the one that I'm a little bit more interested in here. Of course, the National Hurricane Center watching this one too, but some of the forecast models bring this thing right up through portions of the Gulf as we get into late week. There it is emerging, and once it hits the Gulf, you might actually see some development. This is the American model, the GFS, and this is suggesting that by the weekend we'll see that in the lower Mississippi Valley with additional heavy rain. So still a system to watch, but temperatures down in Texas yesterday, very warm, and also in the west, talking some triple-digit heat. But how about this in the Great Lakes in the Midwest, 5 to near 15 degrees below average yesterday. Big bubble of high pressure working off to the south, and an east to northeasterly wind on the front side of that is going to help to bring in some chillier conditions along the eastern side of the Appalachians. Did have one tornado report yesterday that was confirmed in southern New Jersey as an EF0. And flash flood potential showing up along the coastal communities here of the Gulf Coast region as that frontal boundary sits there. But we are watching that system emerging out of the Gulf. And heading into the next 5 days, rainfall tallies could be quite impressive, especially if that tropical system comes in. We'll keep you up to date here at Weather Bug.